Alright, we will continue with a bit of questions on the concept of log. Alright, so let's say we want to find the values. Okay, here we have two options. Either we actually convert your log to indices, that's one, or number two, we actually use the calculator. So, okay, let's see whether we can actually convert this to to indices first. Some questions you are allowed to do that, or you can actually do that, saves time. Okay, so now let's say I'm going to let, this is log 27, this is 3. Okay, let this to become x example. Let's say I want to use it, I want to use indices. So from what we have done earlier, log and indices, all right, you can actually work one with the other. So in this case, I will convert. So I'll actually get 3 to the power of x equals to 27. So 3 to the power x is 3 to the power 3. So therefore, x becomes 3. Okay, so if I want to find this without using log. Okay, likewise here, let's say 243 base, this is y. Okay, so if I were to convert, I would say 3 to the power of y equals to 243. Okay, so 3 to the power of y, this is 3 to the power of 5. So y becomes 5. Okay, right? Okay, likewise here, these two questions. Okay, we have converted it to log. Now let's say I've got this question. Log 20 base 10. Okay, now if you notice, if I put this as a y, let's say this one equals to x or equals to y. Okay, so what I'm actually going to get is 10 to the power x is 20. So if you compare previous questions and this, all right, this one, all right. So base 10, base 20, base 10, base 20. We do not see there's any, it's not like this one here where you can actually get this number in this base or this number in this base. So 20, you won't be able to get it in base 10. Anything 10 to the power or something that gives you 20. So for cases like this, what we'll actually do is we'll actually use the calculator. Okay, so in your calculator, this is your log. So log in the calculator is programmed for log base 10. Okay, so all you do is, so we're using log, we get log of 20. Okay, so your answer is about 1.3010. So x becomes 1.3010. Okay, we leave it in 4 decimal places. Okay, so let's say you cannot use indices to solve, then we use log. Okay, all right. Now, let's say you've got something like this. Log x base 5 equals to 3. Okay, so in this case, what I can actually do, I will say 5 to the power of 3 equals to x. Okay, just like what we did previously, convert. So 5 to the power of 3, so means x equals to 125. Alright, okay, this one, log y base 3 equals to 4. So 3 to the power of 4 equals to y. So y becomes 81. Alright, okay. Then, okay, another concept of anti-log. Anti-log means is a reverse, the inverse of log, just like what we saw just now previously. So we are looking for anti-log. You have that. This one for log. This one. So what you do is shift log. This is the concept of anti-log. Then you just type in the number 0.1456. Okay, so what you get is 1 point, take the 4 decimal, 1.39829, so 83. Okay, this is the concept of anti-log. So for this exercise, what we're trying to do is you're not doing problem solving yet. You're just looking for values, how to get values in various types of log question. Okay, so after this, I want you to try self-practice 4.9. There are 5 questions all in. Okay, so you complete question 1 up to question number 5. All right. Okay, thank you.